So we're going to play a quick little game and make sure that you understand how to count those lines and spaces so that when you download the worksheet or the quiz or whatever, you know how to read those lines and spaces. And remember, we count from the bottom to the top. So let's see if I can bring my whiteboard over. All right, we're going to just start right here on the bass clef staff. No particular reason, just because it's here in front of me. And your job is to tell me, is this particular circle, we don't worry about notes because we didn't talk about notes yet in this lesson, but your job is to tell me, is the note on line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5, or space 1, 2, 3, or 4. That's your job, and you have to put that in the chat, okay? On here. So here is my circle, and your job is to tell me, is this on line 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? I'll give you a few seconds. Let me see if we have some few second music. Okay, let's see if you can tell me, is it on line 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5? You tell me. Okay, somebody put it in the chat. Let's see. 2 for 1, can you put that in the chat? Is it line 1, line 2, or line 3? 4 or 5? You tell me. Okay. Okay, good, good, good. So this is line 2, okay? Hopefully you can see that. Line 2. So if you put line 2, good job. All right. We're going to do a few more because I think this is very, very easy. But you know what? I don't take anything for granted. I really want you to know this stuff solid. All right, question number 2. Is this on space 1, space 2, or space 3? Let's see if we can find some jumping music. Here we go. Let's see. Where is it? So you put in your answer in the chat for me, please. Okay. All right, here we go. I have a little timer. All right, put it in the chat. Good job, 2 for 1. With your last answer. Okay. Okay, somebody said space 4, mobile music. Great job. All right. Somebody else. Okay. All right, that's our time. Okay, all right. So if you said space 4, you are correct. Remember, we count from the bottom to the top. All right, we're going to do two more, and that's it. All right, here we go. All right, thank you, 2 for 1. You got number 4. I appreciate you coming in. All right, here's our next question. What line number is this note? Okay, here we go. Let's see. Put your answer in the chat. Any prizes? Not yet. We're still a growing small school, but we do welcome donations. No prizes yet, but hopefully. All right. Is it line? What line number? Okay. All right. Okay, hopefully you like our dramatic music. Okay, so any answers? Mobile music, 2 for 1. While you're watching the replay, you can put your answer in the chat. Yes, this is line 5. Remember, we count from the bottom to the top. All right, this is our last question. All right, this is our last question, and I'm actually going to put 2 notes. So let's see. Here we go. Yes, you get a free booklet. You get a free booklet. Okay, so the first question, well, it's 2 questions in one. So you have to tell me, is it on the what number, space or line? Okay, so space 1, 2, 3, 4, or line 1 through 5. Here we go. Okay, so this is tricky because I have a I have a circle in the bass clef and a circle in the treble clef. I'm not going to talk about notes because we didn't talk about notes today. We'll be talking about notes very, very soon. Here we go, and go. Put my timer up. All right. If you're watching the replay, be sure to put your answer in the chat. Okay. So I should get 2 answers, 2 answers. All right, come on. I think you know what to do. Okay, all right. So let's see. Okay, so I see the bass clef is line 4. That is correct. This is line 1, line 2, line 3, and this is our 4th, excuse me, our 4th line. Treble clef. This is space 1, space 2, space 3, and space 4. All right, yes, the same. Good job, good job. Let me give you a Yahoo. All right, well, I didn't get to the Yahoo, but that's okay. Where's my Yahoo? You're absolutely correct. Anyway, thank you so very much for joining me today. I appreciate everyone